I'm Dr. Anuranjan Bist, and today we are going to talk about a new treatment called neurofeedback, which is very effective in ADHD or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So what does that have? Like kids who have ADHD, they'll be hyperactive, they'll be not listening to the parents, the teachers might be complaining that they cannot sit in their seat and they're running around, sometimes they're just daydreaming, not listening. Sometimes they're fidgety, they cannot sit still. Sometimes they forget things, making silly mistakes when they're doing their homework. And they might be very brilliant, but academically they're not doing very well. So that's an issue which is coming up more and more, and especially now with the internet and social media and smartphones. The attention span and the ability to focus has been going down. So we use this treatment to help with the ADHD. So what happens when you have ADHD? So our brain produces a lot of different waves: alpha, beta, theta, delta, gamma. So kids who have ADHD and even adults who have ADHD, they more have theta waves, which is more diffuse waves, which doesn't let you focus. And to focus, you need high beta waves. So what we do is, this is a EEG cap. So what it does is it records the brain waves as your brain is producing them, and through this wire we make an EEG or a recording of the brain waves, and there's a software in the computer. So when we record the brain waves and we see that there is theta waves and we need to change it into high beta waves, so what we do is we do it in a very fun and interactive way. So the kid is watching a video game. So if you see the video game, there is a race going on, and for example the yellow cat or the yellow tiger, that belongs to the kid who we are doing the neurofeedback on. So if he produces the right brain waves, which is the high beta waves, his animal is going to win. And so slowly, the brain figures out how to produce less of the theta waves and more of the high beta waves, and it increases the focus. So when we do it multiple times, the brain naturally starts producing the high beta waves, and the focus and the concentration naturally increases, which is permanent. So it's much better than the medications, because the medication, as long as you take it, it'll help, but then it has side effects, and long term it doesn't cure it. With the neurofeedback, we can teach the brain how to produce the right brain waves, so the focus is good. And so it's a permanent solution to problems of ADHD in kids as well in adults. Thank you.